So today we are reviewing Zeely AI, and honestly, this tool might be a game changer for small business owners. So Zeely AI is an AI-powered ad creation platform designed specifically for small businesses. It helps you create short-form video ads, product promos, and social media creatives using AI, even if you have zero marketing experience. You simply upload your product or business informations, and Zeely generates ready-to-run ad creatives for platforms like social medias, Instagram, Facebook, TikToks, and stuff. The biggest selling point is their speed and simplicity. And the next flex with this is that it's beginner friendly, so you don't need editing skills or ad experience. You can straight away just try it and use it. And it's the ad creation is very fast, and it's great for small budgets. And also the AI generated hooks, like one of the like in nowadays, like the hardest part is writing attention grabbing content, right? So but Zeely helps generate captions, scripts, and hooks automatically, which is pretty good. But on the downside here, you have limited creative control. So if you're a professional editor or advanced marketer, the template is a bit repetitive for you, and the AI content can feel a bit generic in some cases. And this is best for only simple products. So they work best for e-commerce, local business, and visually appealing products, not necessarily complex for B2B services. Okay, and you have a subscription cost that may add up to this if you want to use Zeely as well. So for a small business owner, a local brand, or a drop shipper, or even an entrepreneur who struggles with creating ad consistently, then Zeely is absolutely worth trying. It removes a lot of technical barriers and help you launch content faster, which is critical in today's economy. But if you're an experienced marketer looking up for deep customization and cinematic level control, then this probably like won't replace your professional editing skills. So overall, Zeely AI is best for speed, simplicity, and small business growth, but not for advanced creative production.